Hello students, I am going to explain limit shortcuts. Within seconds we can do the problems. I am going to explain that. Just within seconds we can solve the problems. See this one. The function either sine or tan or x, if these are the functions, then easy to solve the problem. So for example, if x tends to 0, f1 of mx by just are given g1 of nx, the function. Here the answer is m by n, x coefficient by x coefficient. Where here, or you can think about where f1 of this function f1 and g1 belongs to s. Both functions belongs to s, f1 g1 belongs to s. When both functions f1 and g1 belongs to s, then we can write the function f by n. For example, I can write tan 5x by sine 7x. They can write 5 by 7. I can repeat sine 5 by 7 coefficient of this. For example, they are given here. Here you can write limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0. Again, limit x tends to 0. The given sine inverse x by the given 7x. You have x coefficient 1, x coefficient 7, 1 by 7. I can get 1 by 7 combination of these functions. For example, limit x tends to 0. I have written here, you can see any combination I can write. Sin hx by, I have written sin x or tan x, anything. Sin 2x. I can add x coefficient here. Sin hx, x coefficient is 1 and I can add 1 by 2. I can write like this. These are the functions related combination of this. Where all these functions belongs to s. I should consider yes. I can write limit x tends to 0. I can write sine inverse x by, see, sine inverse 2x by tan inverse 6x. Answer is 2 by 6, 1 by 3. I can express like this. So I can express like this, coefficient of x by coefficient of x. I can express using this when everything belongs to yes. See another trick. These are all shortcuts. Another trick I am telling here. You can see now, if the problem is given, these are all functions f1, f2, g1, g2 belongs to s. All these functions you remember here. These functions belongs to s. f1 belongs to s, f2 belongs to s, g1 belongs to s. This g2 also belongs to s. Then your answer should be, I can write m plus or minus n by p plus or minus q. If it is plus, consider plus. If it is minus, consider minus. These four functions belongs to s. M plus or minus n by p plus or minus q. You can take one example here. For example, I can write example sine 6x. I can write sine 6x minus sine 4x, any function. I can write tan 8x plus tan 2x. Suppose they are given like this. Your answer should be 6 minus 4 by 8 plus 2. You will get 2 by 10. 1 by 5. Your answer is 1 by 5. I can do one more problem with combination of different combination. Also I can consider the same combination I can write. Suppose sine 7x minus tan, I can write 5x. Tan 5, I can write tan 5x and tan 6x minus sine 3x. I can consider. Here all the functions belongs to s. The functions belongs to s. If the functions belongs to, then I can write your answer is here. Same thing, 7 minus 5 by 6 minus 3. So you will get 2 by 3. Answer is 1 by 3. Within seconds we can do the problem. When you look into the problem, within seconds we can apply this. Then you can write the combination. Plus or minus, you can see. Both are minus, 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 plus, minus, plus. Take directly the coefficients. Within seconds you can solve the problem. Now see, one more technique, one more shortcut. The function is given, limit x tends to 0, f1 to the power of m ax, f to the power of n bx by g1 to the power of p cx, g2 to the power of q dx. If they give this combination all again, f1, f2, g1, g2 belongs to s. These functions belongs to s. When your answer is here, again one more rule here. To use this one, I condition m plus n is equal to p plus q. The rule should become m plus n is equal to p plus q. M plus n is equal to p plus q. The powers m plus p plus q. In that case, our answer is a power m, a raised to m, b raised to n by c raised to p and d raised to q. The product of this will be our answer. The rule should be m plus n is equal to p plus q. Sum of the powers, these two should be equal to sum of the powers of denominators. Then we can use this formula. For example, you can see here limit x tends to 0. I can write sine cube 2x. Just one problem, it is similar to this. Sine cube 2x, tan square 3x. Tan square 3x, I just have been product tan square 3x. I have written x power 2 tan power 4 5x, something I have written like this. Tan power 4 5x. Now you can observe here. This is the problem, combination of this. These functions belongs to this. Then I can write your answer, which is equal to, I can write the coefficient of x. You can see this is 2q into 3 square by same thing. I can 2q 2 square. I can write coefficient of x is 1 here. Coefficient of x is 1 square into here 5 power 4. You can simplify that. That will be your answer. You will get. That's all. That will be simple. Simplify. Within seconds you can solve the problems. Now I am going to explain different tricks in the next video. See you in the next video about the limits shortcuts too. Thank you.